Hello, I've got a piece that I threw on the wheel, and then I altered it and added little creatures and people and drawings to it and textures. And so I've got falling people, and I've got monsters, and I've got vortexes and flying people, and then more vortexes and twisting like nature, and again, people in free fall, twisting, creatures, mysterious beings coming out of the piece, people together, and I've even got a landscape to where throw a little depth into the piece so it's not all surface. You actually are brought into a scene that'll be painted in, just like a landscape painting. Here's a little guy flying. Maybe it could be like a superhero overcoming all of this craziness that's going on, flying to help save society, you know. Anyways, by using chocolate brown, rubbing it into all the grooves, what it does is it emphasizes the depth and creates depth and value contrasts in a piece. Much like an underpainting, when you're painting acrylic, oil, whatever, you wash down, grays or monotone values to be able to get kind of like the position and composition, and then you go back in with detail with your colors and painting and whatnot. And that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to go back in with colors and emphasize and add little features to the faces and more of the wind and the sun and the storm, and more expressions to the people who are either flying, falling. This little creature, I'll try to emphasize that and make it even more mysterious. Got a little, maybe like a father and child walking along and all this. And then we've got this landscape, as we talked about, of, comes like pushing back that space and showing, so it's not all surface, that there's depth to it. Skyline, maybe even like a glimmer of hope in society. This could be thought of as like a flying Superman to save the day. So yeah, whereas this guy's like falling into a monster's mouth, so that's not good, but there's always hope. I'll let you know and keep you posted on how this comes along. Have yourself a good day.